Hi everyone, good morning from Educating Path. This is the Tamil Nadu Public Service Commission TNPSC certificate for studied in Tamil medium, PSTM certificate. So PSTM certificate, here two form is there. One form we have to get from the school where we studied in up to 12th standard. So this is the English format for the school Tamil medium certificate. So this is the Tamil form for the school certificate. See the certificate. This certificate, you first fill up, you have to write your name. Second fill up, you have to write your standard, up to which standard you study in particular school, you have to write. And the same school you got any scholarship or not, that also you have to mention it. Here you have one doubt is there. Everybody's have one doubt in this form, because sometimes some students are studied in up to 10th one school and up 10th 11th 12th other school. Then you have to the same school form you have to take two xerox. So up to 10th standard where you study, that school you have to get the sign of the headmaster or principal. After that another school where you studied in the 12th standard, so there also you have to get the sign in another form of this school form. So the two form you have to keep, those who studied in the two school up to 12th standard means. So those studied in school 3 up to 12th standard, if you study in 3 school means the same school form you have to take 3 form and you have to get the sign from the 3 headmaster from the school or 3 principal from the school. Don't forget about it. Next, another form for the same thing only, Tamil medium certificate form only, but you have to get the school from college, engineering college or polytechnic or any arts and science college. So this form also, suppose if you are studying only one UG degree means you can get xerox of this form, college form, and you have to get the sign from the college principal. Suppose you are studying the UG in one college and PG in another college, then you have to get the same form 2 xerox, and one form you have to get from the UG college principal, another form you have to get from the PG college principal. So this is the procedure for prepare the person studied in Tamil medium PSTM certificate. So PSTM certificate have the two types of form. One form for up to school level where you studied, that one you have to mention. Other form up to only college where you studied in Tamil medium. So college also, suppose you are studying in the two different college means you have to get the xerox of the college form and two different principal you have to get separately. Suppose a school you studied in 3 schools up to +2 level, then you have to take the xerox of the school form in 3, and that school form, what do you have to do? That school form you have to take xerox 3, and that 3 school you have to get separately from the headmaster sign or principal sign. So this is the procedure for getting the PSTM certificate. So thank you, all the best for your future from Educating Path.